here we are given two circle equations and we are asked to find out the number of common tangents to these two circles. So not just for these given equations, let's see all the scenarios how the questions can be asked. The first one, which is this is the first circle and this is the second circle, which are not touching each other and are separated by a little distance. So radius of the first circle, let it be r1, this is r2. So let's see the number of tangents which can occur. This is the first tangent touching both the circles, the second tangent touching both the circles, and it can also be this way touching these two circles. So in the other way around, even this could be the other. So if both the circles are not touching each other, then we have four common tangents. So if we consider r1 r2 as the radiuses and let r1 r2 be the distance between those two centers of the circle, if r1 plus r2 is less than r1 r2, then four common tangents occur, as we can see from here. So let's consider another situation where the circles touch each other externally. So these remain same, 1, 2, but in this case we have only one touching these two circles. So this is r1, this is r2, and r1 r2 is equal to r1 plus r2. Then we have only 3. So let's see another situation where the circles touch internally. So this is the third model, and in this case we can have only one tangent touching the two circles. So if this is r1, this is r2, so we can clearly see from the figure that r1 is already lot greater than r2. So r1 plus r2 is greater than r1 r2, because r1 r2 is only this much. In this case we have only one common tangent, and the other way, if one circle lies inside the other one, there can't be any common tangent for both the circles. So now coming to the given questions, let's check which of the situation arises. So the radius of the first circle is 2 square plus 3 square plus 12, which is 4 plus 9 plus 12 root 25, that comes up to 5. Radius of the second circle, 3 square at minus 3, 9 minus 9 square, and minus 26 is equal to 9 plus 81 minus 26. We have 90 minus 26, 10 minus 6 is 4, 6, root 64, which is 8. So now we have to find the distance between both the centers of the circle. Center of the first circle is 2, 3. Center of the second circle is minus 3, minus 9. So C1, C2 or R1, R2, which is under root 2 plus 3 whole square plus 3 plus 9 whole square equal to under root 3 plus 2 5 square, which is 25, 9 plus 3 12 square 144, this is under root 169, which is 13. So we have R1, we have R2, we have R1, R2. So now let's check R1 plus R2, which is 5 plus 8, which is 13. So R1 plus R2 is equal to R1 R2, which is the second case. Hence we have 3 common tangents, both and 1.